Hello everyone, welcome to the third lecture session of Circle. Today we are going to discuss about one theorem which is given in the NCERT. You may check out there. It is theorem 10.1, page number 172. Let us see what it says. We are going to prove this theorem. Okay, so let us see what the theorem says. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Okay, so what is the meaning of this theorem? Let me explain you through the diagram. Okay, so let us suppose this is a circle, its center is O. So it is given here equal chords. It means that we need to draw two equal chords. Let us suppose these two are the equal chords. Its name are AB and CD. So it says that equal chords of the circle subtend equal angle at the center. Center is this one, ठीक है? ये center है और इसको हम join करेंगे, OA को join करेंगे and OB को join करेंगे. Similarly, we are going to join OC and OD. Here this and this are the radius, OA and OB are the radius. Similarly, OC and OD is a radius. AB is a chord, CD is a chord. Now the theorem says that equal chords of the circle subtend equal angle. Now where is the angle? Here is the angle. At the center, in between the radius, we can see two angles, and these two angles must be equal. That we need to prove. Okay, so let us write down what the things are given here. Given, as you know, AB is equals to CD. This thing is given because here in the first two words itself it is saying that the chords are equal. Two equal chords are given to us. So these two are the chords, and what we need to prove here, we need to prove that the angle AOB is equals to angle COD. ये हमें prove करना है, ठीक है? So let us check out the proving part. Proof. So we need to take two triangles here. Here we will take triangle. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Triangles are AOB and COD. These are the two triangles. So what the things are given here, let us check out. We see the main idea behind these two triangles, why we have taken these two triangles. We want to prove that these two triangles are congruent. अगर हम इन दोनों triangle को congruent prove कर देंगे तो by CPCT we can show that these two angles must be equal. So that is why we have chosen these two triangles, and let us see that how to prove that they are congruent. Okay, so as you can see, the side AO must be equal with the side OC. Is it so or not? Because they are nothing but the radius of the circle. Radius of the same circle, we know that they are equal. Okay. Now the second property or the second condition which is given here is OB is equals to OD. Again, this is the radius given. We know that the radius of the circle are equal. The third we will take from here, as already it is told that the chords are also equal. So we can write here AB is equal to the side or to the chord CD, because this point is given to us. ये theorem में हमें given है. So children, as you can see, this is a side, this is again a side, this is again a. So by SSS, these three are what? They are the side. So by SSS congruency condition, we can prove that the triangle AOB must be congruent to the triangle COD. Now, we have shown that the two triangles are congruent. Now we can write, this implies, can't we write that AOB is equal to the angle COD. How? What is the reason behind that? That we can write in the reason we can write by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangles. So we have proved that these two angles which are subtended, मतलब subtended का मतलब बना हुआ है, subtended at the center are equal by CPCT. I hope the theorem as well as the proving part is clear to everyone. If you feel any doubt, any queries, if you have, then you may comment on the video. So children, just now we have completed the theorem which says that if the chords are equal, then it must be subtending the equal angles at the center, right? Now in this theorem we are going to see the converse of it. Means here the angles are equal and we need to show that when the subtended angles are equal, the chords must be equal. So let us see. I'm just reading out the theorem. This is the theorem 10.2. You may check out in your NCERT. It says that if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords must be equal. मतलब यहाँ हमें prove करना है कि chords भी equal होगा, ठीक है? So let us draw the figure for it. You know that in geometry, each and every sum we need figure, right? For each and every sum. So figure are most important thing in geometry. So children, here as you can see, we need to draw two chords. Let us label it as AB and CD. Okay. Now we will join it with the radius so that we get the subtended angle. Let us name this angle with 1. Okay, I am just giving the labeling as 1, and this angle where I am joining OC and OD, here I am giving it number as 2. So 1 and 2 is already equal. It is given to us in the theorem itself. You can see angles subtended are equal. ठीक है, ये सेंटर पे जो एंगल सबटेंड हो रहा है, मतलब बन रहा है रेडियस के बीच में ऑन एन कॉर्ड आर इक्वल. इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू अस. सो लेट अस राइट डाउन व्हाट द थिंग्स आर गिवन टू अस. गिवन में हम क्या लिखेंगे? गिवन में हमें दिया है एंगल 1 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2. यू कैन राइट द होल name of the angle, or you may write 1 and 2. It's your wish. Okay, so now let us see what we need to prove here. Here we need to prove that the chord AB must be equal with the chord CD. ये दोनों chord आपस में equal होगा. Okay, so let us check out the proof part. देखो, here again we are just going to take two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. यहाँ पर भी हम लोग वही लॉजिक अप्लाई करने वाले हैं जो हमने प्रीवियस थ्योरम में किया था. मतलब इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को अगर हम कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर दें, सो बाय CPCT वी कैन प्रूव द थर्ड साइड ऑफ द ट्राइंगल मस्ट बी इक्वल. नाउ एज यू नो, सो लेट अस ट्राई टू प्रूव इट. कैन यू टेल मी दैट व्हाई OA is equals to the side OC? Yes, it's obvious. This is the radii of the both two triangles, right? OA is equal to the OC means they are the radius of the same triangle. Now OB must be equal to the radius OD. This is again, it's a radii. These two are the radii of the same circle. Now the third thing, it is already given to us that angle 1 is equals to angle 2, right? And this point we can write in the reason as it is given to us. You can see, ये देखो, angle subtended are equal, so we can write angle 1 must be equal to angle 2. This part is given to us. So this implies that by, now this is the side, this is the side, this is the angle. But can you see this angle is included in between the two equal sides? ये इसके इक्वल है, ये इसके इक्वल है, and इसके बीच का एंगल है ये. So this is the angle included in between the two equal sides. So we can write here by SAS criteria, the triangle here we can write by SAS condition triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. ठीक है. So once when you have proved that both the triangles are equal, can't we write that the side AB must be equal with the side CD? And that only thing we need to prove. ये जो थर्ड पार्ट है, देखो जब दो साइड इक्वल है और एक एंगल इक्वल है तो ऑब्वियसली ये वाला साइड भी इक्वल होगा बाय CPCT, राइट? You must be knowing what is the full form of CPCT. It is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now, so we have proved here that both the sides are equal and these sides are what? They are nothing but the chords of the circle. ये chords है ना, AB and CD क्या है? They are the chords of the circle. So that only thing we need to prove. AB is equal to CD and we have done that. So that's complete our proving part. Okay. So children, on the basis of these two theorems which we have proved just now, you can do the exercise 10.2 very easily. It is the same, means the language and the statements or the proof is the same for the questions which is given here in exercise 10.2. So I hope you have liked the video, you have understood each and every concept, and keep watching my upcoming videos. Thank you.